Weavers in Karnataka showed me a 5,000-year-old secret. We don't design weaves. We copy rivers. I didn't believe them. How can a fabric copy water? Then they showed me this. Two sides. And both are woven like water waves.
See what happens when we bath. Water flows like this way, wave pattern. Now, you can check that. I'm just going to put this. Now you can check that water is gone in a blink.
This is what 5,000-year nature teaches. Don't fight nature. Copy it. Skin breathe and rivers flow. This weave is going into Guru Vastra's fabric. We are launching in 13 weeks. Just 13 weeks left for the launch. And I will see you there. So just go with the flow. That's it from my side. See you.